Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Istiqomah with NPM 224112111 from Management 22B class. Okay, here I will discuss financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio analysis. Financial report analysis. Financial statement analysis. Analysis carried out to test the relationship between accounting numbers and the trend of these numbers in a certain time period. Financial reports, which consist balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and additional notes, provide an overview of a company's financial condition over a certain period of time. Next, industry analysis. Analysis of profit potential based on industry conditions. Each industry has different profitability depending on the advantage it has. Industry competition with other industries will affect industry profitability. Competition in the industry will affect the profitability of each company in the industry. The market structure in an industry determines whether companies in that industry can earn abnormal profit. Economic conditions affect the profitability of industries and companies. Factor affecting profitability. Rivalry among existing firms. Industry growth, concentration, differentiation, switching costs. Threat of subsidized product. Relative price and performance, buyers' willingness to switch. Threat of new entrants. Scale of economies, distribution, access, relationship, legal barriers. Bargaining power of buyers. Switching costs, differentiation, importance of product for cost and quality, number of buyers. Bargaining power of suppliers. Switching costs, differentiation, importance of product for cost and quality, numbers of buyers. Next, general ledger. There is example general ledger PT Fashion Jakarta. Next, company information. One entity's present relevant information to user to assist in decision making. The information present can be in the form of financial and non-financial information. The information present can be mandatory, required by regulation or voluntary information. Presenting information can reduce the cost of capital and cost of debt due to reduce information as symmetry. 2. Company information. Financial statement, annual report or annual reporting, sustainability reporting, triple bottom line, integrated reporting or integrating reporting, a report that is more concise and emphasizes EVA digital information. Financial position report, asset and liability. Asset current asset, non-current asset. Liability, short term liabilities, long-term liabilities. Equity, non-controlling rights, equity attributably to the owners of the present entity. PSAK 1. IAS 1. Asset, non-current asset. Equity, non-controlling right. Asset, current asset. Equity attributable to the owners of the parent entity. Liability, short-term liabilities. Liability, refinance financial liabilities that mature within 12 months after the reporting period are classified as current liabilities. If the financing is not at the discretion of the entity or the refinancing agreement is concluded the after the reporting period. Violation of the debt agreement which result in the creditor requesting accelerated payment. Then the liability is present as a short-term liability, even though the creditor permits a delay in payment for 12 months after the reporting date, but this approval is outside of after the reporting date. Next, example PT Kuda Perkasa. Next, example PT Kita Lulus International. Next, cash flow statement. Interest and dividend cash flow are disclosed separately and classified consistently. Interest expense can be present as operating or financial cash flow or alternative. Interest income can be presented as operating or investment cash flow alternative. Dividends paid can be present as financial or operating cash flow. Alternatively, dividend income can be present as operating or investment cash flow alternative. Cash flow relating to income tax and loan interest are disclosed separately. Change in exchange rates are reported in the SAR to reconcile the opening and ending balance of cash and cash equivalents. Disclosure of non-cash transaction, investment, and funding. Next, cash flow classification. One, operating activities are principal revenue producing activities, and other activities that are not investment activities and financing activities. Two, investing activities are the acquisition and disposal of long-term assets and other investments that do not include cash equivalents. Three, financial activities are activities that result in change in the amount and composition of the company's capital and loans. Next, impairment BSIK 48. 1. At each balance sheet date, the company must review whether or not there are indications of asset value impairment. 2. Consideration determining impairment. Information from outside the company, information from within the company. 3. The recoverable amount of an asset or cash generating unit is the higher of its fair value less cost to sell and its value in use. 4. If the recoverable value of an asset in less than its carrying value. The carrying value must be reduced to the amount that can be recovered. 5. This decrease in an impairment loss in the value of the asset and must be immediately recognized as an expense in the profit or loss statement. 6. Asset depreciation expense for future periods must be adjusted to reflect the revised carrying value allocation after reducing residual value.